When I was growing up, I was bullied in school, and the unfortunate thing that I learned from it for a long time is that you accept being treated and bullied. So when my son, I found out, was being bullied in school, I was naturally very upset because I didn't want him to learn that it's okay to be treated like that or to allow someone to treat you like that. So what I did was I went and made a 3.5 by 3.5 inch logo that said, "Safe School Zone, no bullying." And I sent him to school in these 6 or 7 polos every single day for the summer. The response was remarkable because the issue was addressed immediately. The problem was solved. The school, which is wonderful, really supported the whole sort of cause. Parents in the class commented and said, "What a great thing." We're very interested in supporting an anti-bullying campaign. You can buy a polo or any item off our website that's embroidered with either Safe School Zone or No Bully. Anything that helps people and helps their lives and makes their lives a little bit better, or a lot better, hopefully, is something I think is incredible, and I believe strongly in doing.